I know I look rough today, but we are going to be doing an unboxing. This is from mewaii. I think I say it different every time I get something from them. Okay. Oh, how cute is it? I need to fluff it up a little bit. Okay, I fluffed it up a little bit. Look how cute it is. I got one of the mystery ones. And then this is the black cat plush pillow. How cute is this? Okay, I'm gonna take the tag off. If you know me, or if you've seen some of my videos before where I have any type of stuffed animal, my dog is obsessed with stuffed animals. She loves to just have them to lay on and cuddle with. So we're gonna get a reaction to this one. Hey, I got you something. What do you think? Isn't it so cute? Inspect it completely. Oh,